Hello everybody, Robert here with Inventor Training. In this exercise we're going to we want to go with new, and then we're going to standard IPT, and we'll hit select create here. And as soon as this opens up, okay, this is opening up. Now we're going to go into our browser area here. We'll set the plus, click the plus sign, and we'll still hit one of these and hit the shift key. We want to select everything here. And we want to do a right click, and we want to turn on our visibility so we can have these guys on. And there's our three planes. 1, 2, 3. Our three reference planes. Okay, so now from this point, what needs to happen is we want to go into our sketch tool, and we want to hit sketch, and then we'll select the XY plane here, and then we want to start a rectangular sketch here. So I want to just go from here to here, and then we'll select our fillet command, and we'll just use the defaults here. Create this side here, 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 and here. Okay, now we want to go create 4 circles. Okay, so let's go on the top here. Well, let's go on our XY plane. We can do this too. Okay, 1 second here. Okay, I want to set back here. I don't know what's happening, what's going on with that. Okay, we'll leave that there. So we will select this guy here, and let's change this to 0.250. Okay, so that adjusted all of those. And now we'll go here and let's go and create 4 circles. 0.250. Sure. We'll go one here. Oops, sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. I probably should have, well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to push this back. Let's go and place some dimensions here first. So let's do these overall dimensions. This will probably make this a little easier in a video a bit shorter. So let's make this 3 inches. And this side here, we'll make this from the center point. Just half this up, or let's get center this about the origin here. And this will be 1.5. And then let's go this direction right here. Let's make this 2. And then from here to this point, let's give this a value of 1. So there we have our shape. So now let's add our circles here. We want to make this 0.250 as well as here. And we'll go with this one as well. And again right here. Okay, now since we have that, let's go back into our home view and let's go and right click on our drawing area and do finish 2D sketch. Now once we have our sketch finished, we will go in our 3D view, 3D tab, and hit extrude, and we'll select this guy, and there we have it And then what we can do here, let's change this distance A. We want this to be 3/4 of an inch, which is 0.75. And we'll say OK. So there's our first solid that we're going to create here. So now moving on here, let's go into our View tab. And let's do Visual Style. Let's make this a wireframe, model edges only, or model edges only. So we have our wireframe here now, and what happens here is we want to activate the 3D Model tab here, and we want to select Plane. So we'll select Plane right here, and then we'll go over into our browser window, and we'll left click on XY. Okay. Now, inside the browser window, we want to left click on the Y axis here. And now you see this little dialog pop up. Let's change this to 30 degrees right here and click the check mark. So now we've created another plane, basically. So now we want to start another 2D sketch here. And then in our status bar area, it says select surface face. So we want to go here and we want to select work plane here. So let's just select this work plane. And then now we want to go and look at our object visibility here under the View tab. Let's go into View tab, and we'll select Object Visibility. And what we would like to do here, we want to hit Select Origin Axis and just untick that. And then we want to go into our Sketch command, our Sketch tab here again, and we will select Project Geometry. Select Project Geometry. And now what we'll do here is we're actually creating another plane here. So we want to select the back edge of the base feature, which would be this edge right here. And then you see this line that just popped up here. The project line will be used for our 2D profile for the next solid feature we're going to create here. So now at this point we want to select our line tool, our sketch line, and we want to do a rough sketch here. Let's just rough this out here. Let's see, so this be very rough with this, and this is our baseline. So we can go, say, from here. These are all verticals. I'm going to go across to here. I'll go back up here. Go back here. And we'll go across. Make sure this is at 90 degrees. We'll come down here. I think we got an issue in one of these lines. I see. So I'm going to just push this back. I see something that's not at 90, which was right there. So let's bring this line across from here. Okay. That would be 0, right? So that's good. It will come here. This is kind of tricky here. So bear with me, folks. Go from here across to there. come down to here. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. Let's go down here, come back here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to step back here because I've got some issues going on. So let's try this one more time here. Let's go up here, across to here, go up here, say to there. This is very tricky. Across to here, up. Wow. Okay. So what we're going to do here, we're going to see if we can just undo this back one more time. Otherwise, we might have to start this video over because it's going to be too long. And I know how I feel. I know what I feel about long videos. I hate them. So we're going to select work plane here. I'm going to draw a line to sketch this. Very careful. Just make sure it's 90 degrees. That's the main thing here. So, and then I want to take this guy across to here at 90. Bring this down and make sure it lines up to there. Another line across from here to here at 90. And we'll dimension this stuff later. I'm just going to rough this in just so you can see what we're trying to do here. Do another line here. Okay. And then we'll place another line here. And wow, I don't know why I'm in the command. There it is. And we'll do another line from here to here. Okay, now at this point, let's go here and let's dimension this. It should be okay, but let's just put some general dimensions in here. So let's go from the top. Let's make this 0.75, 3/4 of an inch. Finish that. And I think I might leave that there for now. Well, let's just check some of these other dimensions. We want to see if these are equal, so this should be 0.25. Okay. And then here, let's do the same between here and here. This is 0.250 as well. Okay, so now we have our, let's see what this dimension is. This should be 0.25 as well. Since we're getting that final, see, this should be fixed, 0.250. And here, all adds up. Okay, you can cancel that because we have that dimension. So now let's look at this one across from here to here. This should be 1.5, an inch and a half. Okay, so now what I want to do here, I want to go and create. Let's just look at this right here now. This dimension is kind of funny. I'm going to undo this back. I want to leave it there. Let me try this here. No, that dimension should be 1.5. We want this to be 1.5. Oh, okay. We'll click finish. Now let's see if I can center this. I don't think I can. It's my center point. There to there. Okay, let me open strange. Check to view. Choose accept to create a given dimension. Let's say accept this. No, I don't want to do that. So let's undo that. And just leave it here for now, because I just want to show you how this works. So we want to create now. Let's go and finish this sketch off that we've got here. So let's create an arc, a center point arc. So what we want to do here now is go to our arc command. Let's go center point. I want to go from here to here. Actually, I don't want to use that one. I want to go tangent here. So let's go to tangent arc. So let's go select this one and this edge. Uh-oh, sorry. Really struggling here today, folks. I've got a lot of personal things going on, so just bear with me. Got a tough week ahead of me. Okay, let's go arc tangent. So we go from here to here. Okay. And now we don't need this line here. So I'm going to just delete that out. And then I want to make a circle. This will be 0.750. And there's our shape. So at this point, what I want to do is I want to finish this sketch. And then I want to do extrude. And then in my extrude properties dialog box, I want to select this one. And I want to make this 1 inch. I want to say OK. So there's our feature. And I want to go back to our view, visual style, and let's make this realistic or shaded. And there's our solid. So what we did, we created a plane here on an angle, and right now we can, if we want to get rid of these reference planes, it's just a matter of the visibility here. So I can select these guys. No, I'm sorry. And then with my work plane here as well, I can turn that off. So there's our figure we just learned how to create. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to give it another material. Let's just see realistic here. Or Let's just go shade it. But hey folks, we just learned a new feature here, a new solids feature, and we created a new plane. So I'm going to thank you all for watching this video, and thanks for bearing with me. I've been out for a little while. See, we got to do some editing here, but I just wanted to show you how this will work, how you create angled work planes. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Everybody be safe and take care. Bye.